iyo muhabuzi wa president ahanshwangaze by'ubutegetsi n'emirometari yemwe nemwe Chris Rwakasisi arabwire minyeto mu district ya Sheema ngo bareke kushisha obwire abo kuba butone korra bukuru abugambiro bwabire nabugana Abeegi bankore Western University omurakabo Sheema.
One thing that you have got to do as a young man, as a young woman, is that let this black hair work for your gray hair. Because if there is any asset that God can give you, is to be a youth.
He said success has many fathers, but failure is an orphan.
And we should always be loyal to leadership, to your bosses. We normally say the boss is not wrong. Even though it's wrong, we should not undermine our bosses. That we should always respect our bosses.
Orukura nkore Western University yasimire government ya Uganda no kwanjura amakuru agamwe Abeegi n'abashomesa bitendekereri.
Don't just be a number. Awe yeme kura twaza kuzomu kumita no mukakangu mukashanga. Tujakutana mutware binesha. Don't just be a number here.
Don't be associated with failures. Tell me who your friends are, and I will tell you how you behave.
You see, Omuneneserezo University Day chartered, and we are hoping in the few days to come to be chartered in God's name. May God bless you, Abaana.
Gasha kwa era akiza hamwe na mayikwatu akire.